Hello everyone, thank you again for being a part of my study. This is a small tutorial on how to disable the step count option on your Fitbit device. After you've logged in to your account online, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to this setting tab. You're going to click over where it says the name of your device. As you can see, mine is Charge 2, so I'm going to click over where it says Charge 2. This is going to bring you to another page. Once you're at this page, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change your main goal from steps to floors. This is going to allow you to use your Fitbit daily without immediately seeing your step count. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to go to clock display and you're going to change it from stat to analog. I believe that all devices, regardless of what type they are, have the analog option. If your device does not have an analog option, please choose an option where it does not show your step count. After you've done that, you're going to go up to tap display and you're going to turn off where it says steps. As you can see right now it's on. You're going to turn it off and you should see that your main goal is your floors. Once you've done this, you're going to want to go to your mobile device and you're going to want to sync it so that all the changes can transfer from the online version to your Fitbit device. Once you've synced it, you should refresh and you're going to see the timestamp change. Once you've done this, you can feel free to go back to dashboard and the process is complete. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or stop me in the hallways if you see me. Thank you again for being a part of this study.